Got him bayed now.
Yep. He went right there and laid down.
Yeah, they're all tired now.
They ought to be. I know the honest, there was a straw in his mouth.
Straw in his mouth?
Yeah.
Where's the one that had the mouth full of hair a while ago?
It's over there on the other side.
One of these black ones had a mouth full of hair. Y'all got them bayed now?
Yep, they ain't going nowhere.
They'll sleep me good this afternoon.
Uh-huh.
No. No. I'll tell you what though, I'm pretty pleased. Quit now. I'm pleased with them, aren't you?
All four of them's good. Don't know if one's any better than the other one.
After they all got, hey, crazy thing, quit. Hey. Hey. See, they're baying them though. There he goes again. No, crazy.
Let's run them on back up that way and give these goats away.
Yeah. Hey! Come on! Come on! Come on, y'all! Come on! Bring them on! Bring them on! Come on! Come on! Come on, guys! Come on! Come on, boys! Hey! Don't leave! Don't bother him now! Hey! Hey! Quit that now! Come on, leave Charles. What's his name? Ray Charles. Hey! Hey!
I got it. Come on.
Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, guys.
Come on, Ray Charles. Come on, guys.